Alright, welcome back to LNF. It's been a really long time since we've done anything. Today we're going to be installing the Mega Racing trans mount on the Genesis. I already have the motor mounts done when I first blew the motor and put the motor back in, but I never did this, so we'll be getting into this today. It should be simple, 4 bolts. Let's get to it. It's only me today though. Shut up! Oh shit. Oh, it's on there. Let's see if this thing goes high enough. Wait to make sure that he brakes on. And in first gear.
Once you lift it up a little bit, put one of the brakes in the rear.
Okay.
Just in case.
Okay, it's all good. Dude, my tires are almost done in the rear.
For real?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Heavy drifting. We'll probably give it a little swing after this to see how the train spins.
Some donuts?
Yeah. Because I notice when I do drift it, you feel the trans shaking. I should have brought mine too. Well, because we can use those, right?
Yeah.
Alright, we jacked the car up on all 4 corners. We were going to do just the front, but the way the car kind of sat, we wouldn't be able to get to it. We put jack stands on all 4 corners, and we put Manpreet's old steely wheels just in case one fails, we don't die. Because then no more flow and filthy videos. Alright, but then we're just going to take off the bolts. And I think it should be pretty straightforward. Sponsored by Snap-on.
Yes, sir.
That bag probably costs as much as my car. Should I think I should just already start with the trans. I've realized jack stands are louder than cars. Maybe not that. Damn, that shit's loud. Alright, let me go down on that. Oh shit, hold on. That shit is working now. God damn, being under cars are scary. Okay, I see it. I think it's a 14. You know what I still don't have on this car? I still don't have my reverse lights on. I never plugged in my reverse into the tranny. Okay. Bug me.
Try if it's a 14.
Alright. Goddamn. I should have brought the little rolly one. Oh damn. What happened? We need new side skirts. Damn, bro, my frame is all fucked up. Damn. The exhaust is still on there. Okay, so these are this. I think these are 12. They look like a 10 or a 12. How much did he buy this shit for?
Dude, he got like a whole pack for like $250, I think, of like different tools.
Where?
Home Depot, there was like a sale.
Damn. Oh, that's so tight under here. Damn, broken. Alright, the first one's damn, I got mine. I think I need a 12 or it's a 10. Damn, I'm strong as fuck.
Joey, where you at though?
Yeah. We don't need Joey. He wants to hang up on me.
Crazy. Forward, huh?
Yeah, he forwarded me twice.
Hit it with the gun, man.
Huh?
Hit it with the gun.
Yeah. Dude, I saw that Harbor Freight sells like this little lift.
Timu.
Yeah.
A Timu, you seen
Temu
this video?
Oh, damn. God, no, we need a lift.
Thanks.
I was thinking of buying a storage unit to park the G. And I was thinking about getting a big enough one so we can work on the cars.
That's true.
And they're only at 200. They're only like $200.
It's not bad.
Oh shit!
That shit fell?
Yeah, that shit almost smacked me. Okay, these two are off that one. Oh my god.
Now you got it off already, huh?
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Damn, look at this. Alright, let me see. I'm gonna go out. Look at that comparison. Where's the other one? The amount difference on bushing.
For real. That one got like nothing.
Yeah, this one has nothing. It's hella hollow right here. There's this little brace, I guess, if it blows out. Alright, pretty simple.
Damn, so when you blew your mortar, did you blow the tranny too?
Yeah, I blew the tranny.
What car? This one?
Wait, we're talking about cars? Alright, so we finished installing the Megan Racing trans mount. If you guys remember how the other one looked, like how skinny this one is, gaps, or I guess it's just for stock, but since we drifted, I think that mount's gonna be way better for it. Pretty simple, I just couldn't get it aligned, but that should conclude today's install. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.